حبيبي حلال حبيبي 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 حلال حبيبي.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maryam Giwa, and I'm on the Big IQ show.
What does the word Dajjal mean?
5 seconds. Okay, the gel is the one-eyed beast that will be coming like before Metisa comes back, right? They call it Antichrist or something. Jahiliyyah prayers.
Where would you most likely find a muazzin?
In the masjid? I don't know.
The first pillar of faith is Shahada. What does it mean?
Yeah, first pillar of Shahada is testifying that Allah is God, like la ilaha illallah. Yeah, that's Tawhid. Yeah, I guess.
La ilaha illallah. It's called what?
I believe in Allah.
In 5 seconds, give me the English meanings to this word. Sound.
Fast.
Zakat.
Charity. Yeah. Pilgrimage. Salah prayer.
In 10 seconds, spell Ramadan backwards.
Nadamar. God, done. Is it over?
What is the opening line of the?
Oh my.
What is the opening line of the Adhan?
Allahu Akbar.
Can you introduce yourself in Arabic?
It's me, Maryam Giwa. I think that's what I can do.
What are the stories about Muhammad saying the national call?
Adit.
What is your name?
Maryam.
Spell it backwards.
Mayram.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
حبيبي حلال حبيبي 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 حلال حبيبي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sultan, musician, and I'm on the Big IQ show. Ọlánrewájú Abdulgani Fasasi. ISASRAF. I want my account. It's not my favorite, but what I take most is rice. That's the easiest thing to just grab. Anambra, Abia, Adamawa. That's that. Secret talent, right? That's why very people know about it. Why must I tell you? I cook well. I might pick two. Suratul Fatiha. And then Bakara.
Why?
Fatiha, of course, is the opener, is the main one, is the sure one that conquers anything at any time. It's the key. And Bakara has a lot of verses inside that I put to use. I could see, Khadija, and all this one.
You think about it?
Of course, every time.
What do you think about it?
I just feel when you go come, but sometimes you just look at it like that is what keeps people grounded. That's what keeps people. At the end of the day, if we no go die, how will this work for me? Bad habit. I like to choose strong. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me. I get up. Abdulgani Fasasi. It means a lot. I mean, to every believer and every Muslim, that's like 1,091. The blessing is unquantifiable, and that's why, since we do not know which one is the night of majesty, you just make sure that the last 10 days you are always on your feet. You grab all the ladder you can take. Really, it's shy. That's the last obligatory. This is funny. Though. No pain, no gain. Now the British accent I use. No pain, no gain. Hit me up in the afternoon. Maybe I had a little laugh. My calf muscles are so going to the my calf muscles are so going to the gym. Let's make this an internet meme. I have an awful calf. His bed was on fire flicking. Your tag. Why I don't put the mark then? I'm gonna tag you there. Got me like wow. Ramadan backwards. MADANANANAR. Hello everybody, my name is Sultan and I'm on RTV Africa. Keep watching RTV Africa. Ramadan Kareem.
حبيبي حلال حبيبي 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 حلال حبيبي